Good afternoon, folks. I'm going to try and pick a few locks for you today. Just to start out with, we're using our economy 9-piece Klom pick set made of spring steel. Pretty good quality. They're strong, they're flexible. Been using this set for quite a while with no issues or breakage or anything. And there's our tension wrench that comes with the set right there. And so we'll go ahead, I guess, and we'll start off with we've got all master locks here and one wafer lock. I've got a master 130. I've got two magnum locks which are made by Master. I've got a master 532 right here, which is a very nice lock, good quality, nice beefy lock, and beginner picking lock here, Master 140. So we might as well go ahead and start off with the 140. I'm gonna have to do this in a few videos, try and link them together. So there's the lock. It works. There's the bitting for the lock, for the key. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's pretty, the bitting is pretty straight across, pretty even, which makes it this one to be fairly easy. Some are harder than others depending on the key configuration, the bitting. And this one can pretty much just rake it and it'll open. Look how easy that was. And that's open that fast. Pretty much picks itself, this one. You just put it in, feel the pins that are high, and just jiggle it around, there you go, and that's open. That's the 140. Okay, so moving on to the next lock, we'll do the 130 in the next video. Okay, so we'll see you later in the next video.